Welcome to Haven at Charbonneau Apartment Homes. We're taking a look at an ongoing exterior restoration project. We're repairing and modernizing these buildings to take care of long-term maintenance, make them more livable, and give them an updated look and feel. Decks and entry landings are being replaced with a clean new design to modernize the look and reduce long-term maintenance. We start by removing all cladding, as well as exterior decks and stairs. Deck and especially stair work is scheduled and coordinated carefully to minimize resident disruption. Once cladding is removed, we evaluate underlying framing and sheathing for needed repairs. Framing repairs can get pretty tricky, especially where they're part of access, like stair stringers and areas where they support living space. As repairs to the building structure are completed, we can begin to install the building envelope. This critical layer is what sits under the roofing, siding, and other cladding and keeps the structure and interiors safe from the elements. A critical part of the building envelope is the windows and doors, which we're replacing. 1 to 2 I&E employees are inside the home to mask the work area off from the inside and complete trim and finish work. This is a great example of our occupied restoration project. If you're interested in more details, please get in touch.